How to create a checkpoint system in Roblox Studio. Create checkpoints. Name checkpoints in sequential numbers. Collect all checkpoints in the checkpoints folder. Add a script to the server script service. Writing the script. This script is designed for a checkpoint system where players' progress is tracked using a stage value, and they advance to the next stage when they touch a checkpoint in the game. When a new player joins a game, a folder called Leader Stats is created to store stats such as their current stage, and an int value called Stage is created to track the player's current checkpoint. When the player touches a checkpoint, finds the last checkpoint the player reached, compares the player's current level to the checkpoint number. If the player is at the correct level, the script updates their level to the new checkpoint. Add local scripts to starter character scripts in Starter Player. Writing the script. This script is designed to teleport a player to the checkpoint they have reached based on the stage value stored in their leader stats. The script will attempt to find a checkpoint with the same name as the player's current level. If no checkpoint is found, the script will default to checkpoint 1. The script will teleport the player to the checkpoint's location and place the player slightly above the checkpoint to prevent the player from getting stuck in the checkpoint. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. When the game starts, the player will spawn at checkpoint 1. The player will receive checkpoint updates only when the player saves at the respective checkpoints. When the player returns to the previous checkpoint, the checkpoint will remain at the stage where the player went the furthest. And the player cannot cheat by skipping the checkpoint. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.